distinguished guests and the members of the IEEE Technical Committee on Services Computing. Welcome to the 2023 IEEE World Congress on Services. I'm Rong Chen. I'm the steering committee chair of IEEE World Congress on Services. Now, this flagship event has been held for 20 years. And the steering committee would like to present a special award to an outstanding researcher and a leader of ours. The nomination is proposed by a member of the steering committee, and the nomination received the unanimous support by all the steering committee members. I'm now asking Professor Peter Chang to present to you this outstanding awardee.
Thank you. I'm Peter Chen. I'm speaking as the representative of the steering committee. Let me start with 2 points here. The first one is, this is a special award, especially has started this year, which may or may not be offered in the future. Okay, certainly there will be somebody in the future, possibly. Now, the other thing is, I would like to share with you the second point. That's why this special award is established, and also why Professor Carl Chen is honored by this particular award. As many of you, Professor Carl Chen made a lot of contribution, not only in one field. His impact is very widely and very impactful. Now, in terms of research, he has made pioneering and very impactful contribution on service computing, on human-centered software engineering, as well as digital health. In terms of services, he has served as the IEEE Computer Society president and the IEEE Computer and IEEE Software editor-in-chief, and served as a steering committee for many years as a concept, IEEE concept, and now also for several years as this particular Congress steering committee chair. Certainly he has made many other contributions to the community. Now, the other point I'd like to emphasize particularly, many people have published a lot of papers. Okay, certainly, I think Professor Carl Chen published probably sometime more of their papers, and but the important thing is his vision. He's the one of the pioneer looking at so-called nature-inspired software methods. Okay, many methods are different areas, but he's one of the first person looking at naturally inspired methods. The other thing is we have been working on software engineering, I think probably 50 or 60 years ago in the NATO first workshop and on software engineering. That term was coined as a software engineering. Now, there are journals on software engineering, and and I think Professor Chen, Carl Chen, also made a lot of contribution on that. But he's one of the person pioneering the so-called solid method using naturally oriented. The second thing is that we are using the method because of software engineering. And now we have a service computing. So he's trying to propose and combining these two terms together called software service engineering. So now And you probably notice this Congress, we have a new conference called Software Service Engineering. So SSE. So this is one of the major so-called vision of the future. So he's a pioneer in that. So, so if we look at several things together, yeah, as many of us know, our Congress has several awards in terms of research, in terms of leadership, in terms of services, in terms of women engineering, rising stars. So many categories. And Professor Chen, his contribution, accomplishment, is not just limited to one. So, and also his contribution is very insightful and very impactful. So the steering committee think we need to start a special award to recognize maybe Professor Chen and possibly in the future, maybe another pioneer also make such significant contributions. So let me just cite it, this particular. So for this award to honor Professor Chen, as the steering committee decided in recognition of his excellent research accomplishment and explanatory leadership in software service engineering. Now let's welcome Professor Steve Yao, our honorary chairman of the steering committee, and also Professor Chen. Professor Rong.
I present a award.
Okay.
You already say great. Okay. First, it's
Yep.
our great honor and pleasure to present this special award to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Yep. Good.
Done?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Congratulations.